We're looking at 2C on the worksheet here, and what I'm seeing is trying to add two things that don't have a common denominator. So 5x minus 7 has a denominator, x plus 3. 5x minus 7 has a denominator, x plus 3. And it's really cool to have a denominator these days. Let me just tell you. Guess who doesn't have a denominator? The 4. So, jealous, right? The 4 is jealous of the other fraction's denominator, so guess what you're going to give it? You're going to give it that denominator on the bottom, but you're also going to multiply it on the top. That's called multiplying by top and bottom by the common denominator. All right? So the numerator on the left is just 5x minus 7. We haven't done anything with it. The denominator is x plus 3, and it's just shared now. You don't add those together. When you do 1/2 plus 1/2, it's not 2/4, right? Did you listen to that? 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is 2 over 2. You don't change the bottom. So once you have matching denominators, you just use it. X plus 3 is the denominator. Now the key here on top is to understand that you're not only going to have to distribute this 4 for the second piece, but you're also going to have to distribute this negative sign. You're subtracting 4x. And you're subtracting 4 times 3. So what are you subtracting? 12. So the top is going to be 5x minus 4x, which is x, and negative 7 minus 12, which is negative 19. So common mistakes are forgetting to distribute, and mainly forgetting to distribute that minus sign. All right? That concludes problem 2. Oh, no, it doesn't. You can check your work two ways. You can graph the original in y1. Make sure you put top and bottom in parentheses there. And graph your answer in y2. Make sure you use parentheses there and there. And make sure they produce the same graph. Another way you can check your work is to take your answer and do long division with it. This is a fan favorite, long division, right? Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. Okay, so how many times does x go into x? Once. 1 times x. X. 1 times 3. 3. Plus. Over. Subtract. Okay? You get negative 19 minus negative 3. Careful. Negative 19 minus 3. Sorry. Negative 22. This is not going to prove that we have the same answer. But here we go. Minus 22 over x plus 3. So, is this answer the same as what we started with? You could say no. It's okay. Hold on, everybody. Just hold on. I know you're excited. Fasten your seatbelts. Here we go. Could we do long division here? Yes, okay. So right here, can this x plus 3 go into 5x minus 7? It's going to work. All right. How many times does x go into 5x? 5. What's 5 times x? Plus 15. Put a line under it. Put a minus sign. Subtract it. What's negative 7 minus 15? Negative 22. So we have minus 22 over the divisor, x plus 3. But who's on the back end here? Minus 4. What's 5 minus 4? 1 minus 22 over x plus 3. They are equivalent. We just had to do long division on both of them to prove it. I rest my case.